Welcome to Skech spray painting, crafting and do-it-yourself art. Hey yo, what's up my great awesome YouTubers? Welcome to Skech Art. All of you who are first time here on this channel, I'm Skech, I'm a spray paint artist. First of all, I want to wish you great, awesome, amazing and successful Happy New Year. As you can notice, this is the first video in the new year. To all of you who regularly follow my channel, I apologize because I didn't post in the last 3 weeks, and there's a 3 reasons for that. First, our 9-month-old baby Oliver had surgery and I spent a lot of times in hospitals with doctors and appointments, but thanks God he's good now and he recovered really good, and because of that I'm also behind with my orders, which we come to the second thing. I got so many orders before Christmas that I am really stuck, and I'm apologizing to all of you who place order even before Christmas and still didn't get paintings, because I really had huge amount of orders that I'm still doing my best to fulfill them all. And the third thing why I didn't post, I had burnout. But this channel and you guys are too important, so I find time to make this painting for you, which we come to today's video, where I made one painting. I was just going with the flow. I literally had no idea how this painting will turn out, and it turned out really amazing. And you know that I'm not selling any of my original YouTube videos because I want to keep original works for myself, but now it became a problem because I storage so many paintings that I literally have no idea what I'm going to do with all of them. So from time to time I'll post on my web store my old original YouTube paintings, and yeah, you will be able to have original painting from video. Consider it real life NFT. To all of you who are interested in my web store, check down below in the description box. I'll put the link where you can find it. Stay awesome and let's go to make some art.
Let's go guys!
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and to all of you who are interested in some of my art, check down below in the description box. I'll put the link where you can find it. And to all of you who are not subscribed yet on this channel, if you like this kind of content, smash that subscribe button for more future videos like this. Stay awesome, I love you all, and see you next spray paint video.